Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson algebraic expressions. Now worksheet 2. We have seen the examples, isn't it? Now we'll discuss about the worksheet 2. Find the product. So you know already, so it is a 4x squared plus 3xy within the bracket and 4x means you have to multiply first term with the whatever is there outside. So that is bracket open x squared into 4x plus 3xy into 4x. So while putting x and multiplication sign, be careful. So x should be written like this, multiplication sign cross. Okay. Now x squared into 4x means 1 4s are 4. X squared and x, that is x cube, plus 3 4s are 12. X and x, it is x squared and then y. Now coming to the second sum, it is 9pqr bracket open 2p squared q minus 3q squared r. So bracket open 9pqr into first term is 2p squared q bracket close minus 9pqr into second term is 3q squared r. Now 9 2s are 18, p and p squared, that is p cube, q and q, that is q squared and then r. Sign is minus. 9 3s are 27. P, here P is not there, so only P. Q and Q squared means Q cube, R and R, that is R squared. Clear? Now coming to the third sum, 3 by 4 a squared bracket open 2 by 3 b squared plus 8ab. The same method, bracket open 3 by 4 a squared into first term is 2 by 3 b squared bracket close plus bracket open 3 by 4 a squared into 8ab. Now it is a fraction. So think about the cancellation. 3 ones are 3 ones are, 2 ones are 2 2s are. So the number what you get is 1 by 2. Okay. So you have to go in a order. First the number, then first alphabet, second alphabet, third alphabet, like that. So now it is a half. Next is a squared. Only one a squared is there. Here b squared. Plus, now here 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. Now it is 3 2s are 6. Here a squared a means a cube and then it is b. Clear? So you have understood the how to multiply. Now find the product and then evaluate. Evaluate means find the value. So first you multiply. So it will be bracket open 7x into 3xy squared bracket close plus 9y squared into 3xy squared. You have to put the brackets, that will be easy for you. 7 3s are 21, x and x squared, then it is y squared plus 9 3s are 27 and here x and then y squared, that is y to the power 4. So you got the Answer 21x squared y squared plus 27xy to the power 4. Now it is evaluation. For that, evaluate x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1. So write the question 21x squared y squared plus 27xy to the power 4. Now you have to put the values. That is a bracket open 21 into x is 2 squared, y is -1 squared, bracket close, plus bracket open 27 into x is 2, y is -1 the whole power 4. Now find the value. It is a 21 into 2 square. 2 2s are 4 and negative with the even power, then it is a positive 1 plus 27 into 2. Now negative with the even power, it becomes positive 1 to the power 4 is 1. And now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and here 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 5. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 138. Clear? Now coming to the second sum, it is a minus 11x. Write the question, and now bracket open minus 11x into 2y to the power 5 minus bracket open minus 11x into 3 by 11 x squared y cube, bracket close. Now negative, positive, the answer will be negative. Minus 11 2s are 22 x y to the power 5. Now here it will be 11 11 cut, but here it is negative, negative becomes positive. The number is 3. X squared will be x cube, then y cube. So this is the answer. Okay, समझ में आ गए सबको? कैसे स्टेप वाइज करते जाओ. पहले साइन, फिर नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर अल्फाबेट्स को एक एक करते जाने का है. जल्दी आराम से करने का, जल्दी नहीं करने का है. Okay, now coming to evaluate with the x is equal to 2, y is equal to -1. Okay, right? What is the answer you got? Minus 22xy to the power 5 plus 3x cube y cube. Okay, we'll put the values, bracket open, minus 22 into x is 2, y is -1 to the power 5, bracket close, plus 3 into x cube, that is 2 cube, into y, that is -1 cube. Now minus 22 into 2. Now it will be negative with the power, odd power. So it will be -1 plus 3 into 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again here -1 with power 3, that is odd power, then it is -1. Okay, now negative means positive. 22 2s are 44. Now positive, this one full it becomes negative, isn't it? So plus minus becomes minus. 3 8s are 24. 4 minus 4 is 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. That is 20. Okay. Now coming to the question number 3. 0.5x bracket open 2x squared y squared plus 1.5 xy cube. Isn't it? Now bracket open 0.5x into 2x squared y squared bracket close plus bracket open 0.5x into 1.5 xy cube. Okay. Now it will be 0.5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Now 1 decimal means 1.0. So 1.0 we'll put 1.0, that means 1. X and x squared, that is x cube, y squared. Now plus 15 5s are 75. Now 1 decimal, 2 decimal, that means 0.75. X and x squared, then y cube. Did you understand here? 15 5s are 75. The decimal, 2 decimal places. So from right side, leave 2 places and put the decimal point. Now this becomes 1.0 means it is 1. So no need of writing x cube y squared plus 0.75 x squared y cube. Now it is evaluate what we had told. X is equal to, value was x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Isn't it? X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Now what is the answer we got? X cube y squared plus 0.75 x squared y cube. Now put the values, bracket open, x cube, that is 2 cube, into y is minus 1 squared, bracket close, plus square bracket open 0.75 into x squared is 2 squared and y cube, that is minus 1 the whole cube. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into minus 1 square, that becomes plus 1 plus, now 0.75 write as it is, 2 2s are 4 and now minus 1 cube, it will be minus 1. Now it is 8 1s are 8 plus, now here the answer will be minus 4 5s are 20, 2 in hand, 4 7s are 28 plus 2 30. Now 2 decimal, so it will be 3.00. That means 8 minus 3, that is 5. Understood? So slow and steady, you have to do the sums. Now coming to the third question, it is find the product of 8s squared. Okay, we have to write the question now. Solution: 8s squared bracket t squared minus 2st and verify the result. Verification LHS, RHS. Okay, first it will be bracket open 8s squared into t squared minus 8s squared into 2st. That means 8 ones are 8 s squared t squared minus 8 twos are 16. S squared s is s cube and t. So you got the answer, this much. Now verification. So for verification, what we have to do? LHS, RHS. LHS, the question, main question, what is it? 8s squared, bracket open, t squared minus 2st. So for verification, s is equal to 1 and t is equal to 5. You have to write the values, whatever is given. So it is bracket open 8 into s is 1 square. Now again bracket open, t is 5 square minus 2 into s is 1, t is 5, bracket close. Okay, now you got 8 into 1 square is 1. Now 5 squared is 25 minus 2 5s are 10. So you got 8 and here 25 minus 10. Here the sign is multiplication. 25 minus 10 is 15. That means 15 8s are 120. Now coming to RHS. RHS, what is the question? 8s squared t squared. Answer what you got? Minus 16s cube t. Okay, we'll continue like this. So put the bracket 8 into s is 1 square into t is 5 square, bracket close, minus bracket open 16 into s cube, that is 1 cube into t is 5. Okay, now it will be 8 into 1 into 5 5s are 25 minus 16 into 1 into 5. Now 25 8s are 25 4s are 100. So 25 8s are, it will be 200 minus 16 5s are, it is 80. So you got 120. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? Verification is little bit tough, but slowly you have to do it. Is it clear? Don't be in a hurry. So slow and steady wins the race. Always remember this. Put the signs properly, then the numbers, multiplication, then the alphabets. One alphabet. You check, then you write. Okay, then. Hope everyone is understanding the sums. Okay, then bye. See you. Thank you.